Hello guys, I'm MikeMan7918 in a redstone ready world like you'd probably expect, because I'm doing a lot of that stuff. This is actually going to be a video, as you can probably tell by the title, about spawn control systems and stuff. I'm going to show you my design for it. But first, you might want to understand how spawn mechanics work. Like, this gold block is the very block in which I actually spawned in initially into this world. So if I actually kill myself, then I'll, almost certainly spawn elsewhere. So I'll mark where elsewhere where I spawned in, say, diamond blocks. Game rule. Keep inventory. True. Yes, that's better. So, if I continue to do this, oops, kill. That's weird. It's gonna be spawning in a line, but that shouldn't be the mechanic. If I keep on doing this, you'll see that I actually spawn within a certain radius of a central spawn point. I'll come back when I actually do some more testing on this. Now that I've done some more, placing of blocks, whatever I respawn, like these gold diamond blocks, represent wherever I've respawned after killing myself. And you can kind of see a pattern emerging. Notice how they're all within a square area, but they're never in the same place. During all this, I've actually never spawned another diamond block, but that's just coincidence. Because, if I did it more, I'd be, I'm sure I would. Because it's completely random where you spawn. So this could be a problem with adventure maps, because you may want people to spawn within a tiny little space. And you spawn within quite a big space. And you don't want that to happen. You want a smaller spawn area. And plus, you spawn on top of, whatever. You never really spawn underneath anything. That's just the way it works. So I'm going to show you a system I can use to basically consolidate spawn to a single block. So if I just give myself a command block, okay, 137 is a command block. There's also the new command block minecart, which are really awesome, but I'm not going to be using them. I'm in 1.7 if anyone really cares, but this will work in 1.5, 1.6. Basically, yeah, we're using the scoreboard system, so it's worked since 1.5. So, as you all may know, this is the spawn area. There's this single 16 by 16, I think, area. Yeah. But anyway, with the command block, I'm also going to get some building blocks. I'll use stone bricks because they're just awesome like that. And then you're going to need all manner of redstone components. So, oh yeah, also comparators. I forgot about comparators. Yes, these things are awesome. Love them. So, now you consolidate the spawn. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose an area. I'm going to represent it by an emerald block where I want the players to be. So say I built some structure. I want the players to be right here, all of them, when they spawn. The one problem about this system is it can't handle multiple players at once. It does the thing with the player. What it does is it sets that, the thing is, if I were to set a spawn point, I do /spawn point. And then, if I kill myself, I'll spawn right at that spawn point. I'm going to put stone bricks there. And then, kill myself again. I'll end up right there again. So I'm always going to spawn there once I set the spawn point. So I'm utilizing that command. I mean, not mechanic. That's what I meant to say. So, I'll always be spawning right there now. No matter how much I kill myself. Spawn mechanics and stuff like that are so interesting. So, what if I wanted to change it to right here? And so even if a player were to join the world for the first time, they'd end up right here. Well, that's, I guess, what this tutorial's about. So what you need 3 command blocks. Boom, boom, done. And comparator, beater. And you need to build a clock of some kind on this. This is the clock that I usually use for this. Cancel. I'm holding down shift to, right click on the side of things, by the way, to place a redstone torch to the side of this. Sorry, I'm a bit sick right now. Yeah, so, anyway, this is, the basic clock, and it's flamed out, it burnt out, so I'm going to have to replace the redstone torch there. And, there. Then I've got a basic clock. I'm going to put the 3 commands I use in the description. As, command 1, command 2, command 3. Command 1 is going to go here, command 2 is going to go here, command 3 is going to go here. So, anyway, pretty much what you do. This, wait, first of all, I've got to take note of the coordinates of this block. I forgot about that. So, pretty much what you do, you stand right on that block, you push F3, and then you actually take, oh, crap, all this crap in the way. I'm going to actually save and click the title and rejoin. That gets rid of all the crap here. So, then I can actually show you things. Point with my mouse. So, if I were to go to F3, and then what you gotta do, you use this number, not this one. If you're gonna use command blocks, use the one in parentheses next to it for X and Z. But Y, you actually use this. So, in my coordinates, that will be -88. I usually like to just take note in the chat thing. And then 56, and then 202. So, now once that's done, I'm just gonna copy it to the clipboard. Oh, yeah, wrong button. So, I'm gonna actually be needing that. Ooh, I forgot another thing. Yeah, you also need another command. Oops, I forgot about this command block. This is just kind of I guess, a safety measure. Actually, you don't need that. So what you need to do is you type in the command /scoreboard objectives add status dummy status. You can use any name you want, but I like to use status because it makes sense to do that. So you need to add the objective status. I guess I'll put that as command. Oh, that's going to be, let's see. I'm just going to put them in the description. Look in the description, you'll see what I mean. So, then what I need to do is, I'm actually going to turn off this clock. It's probably not a good idea to have that on while I'm making it, because it'll cause some derping around. While I'm programming it, I mean. So in this command block, you need to type in scoreboard. So you need scoreboard. Wait, not scoreboard. What am I thinking? TP closest player. Score underscore status equals 0. And close the bracket. And then just paste that in, which you should have probably copied from. Basically the coordinates. In the description, I'm just going to say, put coordinates here. So just type in the coordinates of your spawn. Then, on this one, you gotta do, spawn point, at P, score, underscore, status, equals 0. Wait, did I put 1 in the last one? Oh, it's 0. Okay, that's good. I sometimes make that mistake. And then you need the coordinates again. Then this one is basically going to be scoreboard players set. And then you need P score underscore status equals 0. Status 1. So pretty much what all this will do, when I turn it on, it'll teleport me to the spawn area, and so I'll be immediately there, and then it'll also set my spawn points, just one tick after that. I've got to activate it now. There, you see? It's probably also a good idea to turn off command block output. Game rule, command block. Oh, I forgot the slash, dang it. Okay. Game rule, command block output, false. For those of you who don't know, I'm automatically finishing the statement with the tab key. So, now command block output's false. And, yeah, that's it. Now if I, kill myself, I'll end up right at this emerald block. And notice how I also got teleported there when I activated the machine. There's also one problem with it, and that would be that, it can only handle one player at a time. So if 2 players join at the exact same time, then it'll, basically make the machine stuck. Well, actually, 2 players, I think it'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine with 2 players. It'll be able to totally handle that, I think. No, it won't. It'll be stuck on. So, there actually is a way around that. Wait. Never mind, there isn't. Okay. Yeah, I was just really thinking of that. Okay, so, I guess there really isn't. So, I guess that's one problem with it. Yeah, it can't handle multiple players. And also, one second. Turn off daylight cycle. to do that. So, anyway, you can only handle one player at once, and the thing is, when you when you first activate it, you'll find it jammed at first. Basically, everything will be stuck on, and so pretty much what you gotta do is so you kind of gotta destroy this command block, replace it, reprogram it, or you just gotta something you can also do is just make it an unrecognizable command by doing like that. Then it'll run that. It won't know what it is, so the comparator will turn off. And then you do like this again. It'll turn into a recognized command, and then it'll turn on again. It'll unjam it. But it only works for one player. You'll have to do that once for every player you got. That's just another fatal flaw in it. So, yeah, that's it, really. So, yeah, you got a spawn control system right there. Very easy to make. So, that's pretty much it. My name is MikeMan7918, and I'll see you all next time.